how to turn on autofill passwords on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to turn on and enable the autofill passwords and passkeys feature on your iPhone. This will help you log into websites and apps much quicker, especially with the latest iOS update. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to go to your settings and then head over to general and then scroll down, and there you'll find autofill and passwords. Just tap on it and then you'll need to toggle on the autofill passwords and passkeys. So now you can toggle on the autofill from passwords, Chrome, Brave, and Google. So you just have to toggle it on, and then that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.